She just wants to be beautiful.
Davina, and I'm back with another video. If you're not yet subscribed, go and subscribe. So today, as you can see, I think you guys seen by the title because you clicked on the video. We are gonna be doing like the challenge where we just have to eat like dollar store food for 24 hours. So I'll see you in the next clip. So my boyfriend.
These are good.
What is it?
It's tuna in the pan, and then
So this is Gabriel, my boyfriend. So yeah, we're just looking at all the stuff here. They have a lot of stuff here. For $1? That's pretty good. What is that? Let me see. Oh, chili. I like chili. We should get... You know what we should get? We should get like pancake mix, huh? And then we should make pancakes?
No, I don't want to make pancakes. I'd rather just...
Oh, we should buy cookies for dessert because we have to do, so we have to do breakfast, lunch, dinner, and like dessert. So yeah, so I think we're gonna end up getting brownies or the
we can't
cookies.
use anything at the house. Like
I know
like
we cannot eat anything at the house.
Like salt or anything that's spicy, we can't use it.
I know we can't. Like we have to use everything
Should we
here.
get peanut butter?
I don't know. Oh, these look good. These muffins. These are bomb. Have you tried these? So Gabriel had a good idea. He said we could make pizzas because they have like pizza crust. So I think we could do that. I don't know. We're debating what we should make. I don't know what we're gonna make though. This is good. For what? Tortillas. You want tortillas? So this is just like all the coffee stuff. I know, or coffee, huh?
We can use water.
Yeah, okay, guys. Okay, so we could use water. It's like we cannot use any other, like ketchup. We can't use nothing like that.
Pepperonis?
Oh, we should do.
Pizza?
Yeah, okay, so guys, I kind of don't want to show too much because I want you guys to wait to see, like, what we're gonna eat. So, yeah, I'm just showing you what they have here. Oh, we should, like, look at, this is a good idea, like just getting, like, chewy bars, those are bomb. Oh my god, this one looks so bomb. Gabriel, look at it. Huh? This is the snack aisle, right here, look at it. It's good. They have drinks here, they have a lot of stuff. I don't know what we're gonna get. Gabriel, so what do you want to get for popcorn?
Too much.
I know, that's a lot. Like, we would probably need that one right here. The little ass. But we should get like chips. Can I get chips? People, look at these ones. Baked fries. Cheddar baked fries. We should get this for like dinner or something. No, or like it looks bomb.
That's for snacks.
Okay, corn potato chips. I don't know which ones I would get.
We should get like a bag from here.
So, yeah, guys, this is what I have in my basket. So, we're going half and half on it. Like, he's gonna get the... What are you getting? You're getting the lunch. No, you're getting...
Yeah, breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast and lunch, and then this is gonna be our dinner. And I'm getting snacks and desserts. So, yeah.
You don't want like...
I don't know, what do you want?
Cherry cheese popcorn.
Yeah, but I don't really want popcorn. You could get that for you. Like, we could get two different stuff if you want.
Look, there's Cheetos.
I don't like those ones. I wanted, like, the fries.
You want fries?
Yeah, you remember the ones I showed you right now? Yeah, I want those. Okay. The cheddar. Check. Huh?
You can't show them.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, guys, I can't show you guys anything. So, look, these are like what they have. I can't believe they have so much stuff here. You wouldn't think. So, guys, I'm just gonna turn the camera off real quick, cause, like, yeah.
Weird mom. My head hurts.
Okay, we're in the car. This is Chili. Big old bag.
And I'm down.
Little bag.
My head hurts. I feel like
You're stupid. I'm trying to get. Can you get my bag? Serio? Don't suffer from bad coverage. Project 5. A better sleep.
We're in our. So guys, for lunch we have these two Tony's French bread pizzas.
Macaroni.
It's chicken flavored, and I got one of the delicious deals. It's like the nutty bars, but like generic. And then I got watermelon propel. So we'll show you guys when we eat in a little bit. So guys, he is gonna make the rice-a-roni.
I don't know if it's
So you need butter, so I got butter, but that kind of doesn't count because like we're not eating the butter or anything. So I went too close on that. So
nice.
what did you don't mess this up, Gabriel.
Butter. What?
Twerk. Afira. Afira.
Oh,
No, the room. She's like, you're not just twerking. Hi. Spicy.
Gabriel. Whoa, no, not allowed. Whoa. Say hi to Daniel.
Hi.
Daniel.
Hi.
So that's my brother. Dila, hi Daniel. Dila, hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Eat it. Hi.
Okay, we're vlogging. I feel like she feels weirded out by the camera. She keeps on running from it. I could see you. Oh my gosh. So guys, the rice-a-roni is currently cooking right now, as you can see. I'm gonna open up the lid. So yeah, you can't really see much because it's barely cooking. And now we are gonna be putting the Tony's pizza in. So yeah, yeah. So then stay tuned because in stay tuned. Dinner. We're gonna have pizza again, but like actual pizza. Oh.
This is the fight now.
No, well, okay. Now I gave you guys a sneak peek, but I didn't tell them the other thing, so.
We don't have anything.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, yeah.
We have another thing, guys.
Oh, what? Yeah, we have.
I'm not gonna say that. I just told. Well, I mean, I have to pretty much tell them if we're gonna have pizza, like, again. Duh. My nails hurt right now, cause like the freaking lady at the nail salon. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Don't mind.
What?
I paid for your nails.
No, you didn't. You paid for my Build-A-Bear. But my nails hurt because she was like, because the lady was like that among them. It hurts. So, okay, so this is what we have: the pizza,
Looks a little bit
the
burnt.
rice, the pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Maybe
pizza.
yours. Mine does too, a little bit.
So yeah. So let me just stand it up now.
What do you try first?
I don't know. I've never tried rice-a-roni, so.
How about we try the pizza first? And since you haven't tried rice-a-roni, then we'll try the rice-a-roni. Oh, and we also have these. So try these first? Okay, so we'll try pizza.
So we try pizza
There you
first.
go.
Oh god. Oh, hard.
A little bit. It's good.
That feels weird. Because I had that in my...
Okay.
Let's try the rice now. The arroz con pollo.
You never tried it?
It's called chicken rice-a-roni, so...
When I found this, I was happy. It's pretty good.
It's good.
See?
It tastes like ramen, like ramen juice, like seasoning,
A little bit.
but just rice. The rice is kind of hard.
That's how it is. I think so. I don't know. I think it's good.
Okay. I don't want to film like the whole time, but okay. So I guess this could kind of be similar to the mukbang. So, guys, have you guys seen that new challenge? Like this one. I could do it. I don't want to try it now.
Just trying it.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're hard.
And they don't really taste like Nutter Butters, but like Nutter Butters are better, so. So yeah, I want to try to put a picture of my dad's new challenge he made. I don't know how he did, but so yeah, I have it on my phone. So. I'm fine. Cause guys, go follow me on Instagram. I'll put it. You'll see it after the videos. I know.
Wait, what is that?
So my dad did this.
Did you know?
Like, I don't know how to do it.
You put rice on pizza.
Ew.
Just try it.
I'm not gonna put rice. You can.
Come on. How's it?
I know. Well, I'm sorry if you guys like rice on pizza, but like that's not my cup of tea.
You're really nasty.
I don't know. I don't taste like.
Rice on pizza?
Oh my god. I mean, it's still going in your stomach the same way, so. You know what I love? French fries with like ice cream. That's good.
You know what it tastes like? This tastes like.
Well, not like any kind of ice cream. Like I like vanilla ice cream.
Let's try this again. I can't really explain it.
Huh. You like that? My brother and him are so weird. Like one time, like a couple of years ago, we were eating at Papa Murphy's. Papa John. I don't. So guys, the camera fell. No, not fell. I like turned off for some reason.
The rice on top of the pizza tastes like spaghetti.
Oh.
Tastes like it.
No, thank you.
Good.
Oh my god, there. Honestly, I don't really like it. I feel like it would be better if it was more like they weren't hard. I don't know why they're hard. If they're just originally like that, or Gabriel cooked them wrong or something.
I think I did. Oh, I was playing with your elbows with them. Get some.
Honestly, I wouldn't eat this every day. Yeah.
You wouldn't eat it?
Yeah.
I think it's dark.
Gabriel's saying to go see it, so we're gonna. He fucking burnt himself. What an idiot. Oh, they actually look good, dude. So guys, we are waiting like it's just 7 to 8 minutes for the pizzas. So we're just waiting on that. They're currently in the oven right now. So yeah, guys, my shirt freaking like I don't know. Like I got hella stain in my hair. Like I think it was from the freaking oil, dude. Like I have a big old like spot on my green shirt. Like I don't even know why I have a cause like oil, and it doesn't. I don't think it'll come off either, cause like any grease or oil like gets on you, like it won't come out. So that's why I'm like kind of pissed right now. So if you see me kind of like mad, that's why, cause I'm like getting really pissed. Like in that auto, like okay, first of all, out of all my shirts, like too, it freaking like my polo shirt too. That's like the thing that kind of irritates me, because could have been like this shirt or something, but like it like just I don't know, things happen first.
That YouTuber out there is Jeffy.
Oh my god, have you guys watched I don't know if you guys are like if you guys are younger than like what I am, because I don't know if you guys know Jeffy, but it's like a puppet, but he's not very appropriate for kids.
He's appropriate for school, like kids.
Like he's appropriate for like, you know, like people that understand like what happens on that, but like it's not good. Like I wouldn't recommend that for your kids, but yeah, he's funny. I think they're funny. So try to guess what it is. So yeah. No. So guys, I'll pick my phone back up because I am waiting for the batteries. See the batteries right there? they're charging for my camera. See, my camera's like freaking dead. Like there's like a little bit of battery left, and I'm not trying to use it. So guys,
Now we have the pepperonis.
yeah, the pepperonis. They were $1, of course. That's not that funny though. I eat Eddie. Freaking eat it. Oh my god.
And once the pizzas are done, we'll show you guys everything. That way, like,
How are we gonna do our thumbnail?
I don't know. Oh, wow, that's hard.
I know we have to come up with the
Oh,
thumbnail.
we could like dollars, like I don't know.
And we could. I was thinking we should have got before. We should have took a picture and took a picture with the bags of the dollars. We should have done.
I hope this turns out good.
I don't know what we're gonna do, guys. I think.
That's the challenge, the pizza challenge, the one the.
Oh yeah, we were thinking about that. We could.
I think that challenge has like been like.
It's been gone.
Yeah, so we should try. We should like. If it is gone, we should bring it back.
I don't know. I'm not that popular yet.
Well, still.
Yet, guys. You guys heard it here. I don't know.
If that does turn out good, maybe we'll use.
I don't know. I don't really want to use a lot.
Why?
Like there's like oil. In it.
Yeah.
You're calling your mom. So guys, we're gonna put them in the oven right now.
Yeah.
Not like this, but yeah. So I had to change to my phone, so if the quality is worse than the other videos, you know why. But right now I'm just charging my phone with the portable charger, and right now we just had to put like olive oil all over it. So Gabriel was doing it. You can't see because I don't want to move my phone because it's charging, but because that also did. But yeah, so now
I think I messed up.
we're just putting. As you can see, it's because we put like I don't think
too much olive oil.
I don't even know why you're supposed to
Watch
put oil.
okay.
Okay, so watch. I don't know if this is good enough. Is it?
No, it's not. I put like 2 spoons.
Okay, so like I think we bought a big can, but they didn't have any smaller honky room. So like
I mean, you could always save the can. And
yeah, that's true. Like you could use it for like I don't know. That's Edith, guys. Like
Yeah. Yeah.
you really want to be on the video.
Yeah.
So Edith.
Okay,
No. Bye. Bye.
I think it's a lot. You can put it there. Come over there. Behind you.
Dila bye.
In case no
They'll
cheese.
say the other thing. Okay, so we got this
They
cheese
found these like, little
at the
bags.
dollar store. I'm surprised they have stuff at the dollar store because, like, you wouldn't. Actually the dollar store kind of upgraded from a long time ago because before they didn't have like.
You need to like kind of break up the cheese.
Oh, wow. Okay.
No, yours is I think is already separated, but mine's like.
Okay, well his is. But so this is what I do. I just like go like this. But yeah. So I don't know what to talk about. Guys, request me some videos that I could do.
We have 2 more themes for today.
Cause like me and Gabriel will be happy to do it. Like I don't really care. Why are you closing your ears? Like I wish I could move the camera. Not even my camera, it's my phone. He's like this.
Say hi.
Lila, bye. She's so cute. So
I
cute.
put a lot of cheese on mine.
Okay. So. I don't know. I made homemade pizzas before. They came bomb, but like I don't.
But like we haven't bought like.
Like dollars.
I've never made a pizza.
Really? I have, but like not dollar store.
Yeah, like.
I made like not like expensive pizza, like, but like not dollar. I don't know how this.
We would add like other ingredients like.
That would be too much.
Like vegetables, but we didn't buy any.
Oh yeah, sure. I didn't think about that, but I would have probably got like. Dude, you know what would have been good? Like Hawaiian pizza.
Dude, we should have bought more dough at dollar store, and we should put it around, and we should put stuffed crust.
Guys.
You your cheese?
Huh?
Oh, how'd you like that?
I don't know. Dude, but guys, I had to change my shirt because I got freaking oil on it. But like. What? What?
There?
So guys, we got pizza now.
This is what it came out to look like. And then we have like cheesy garlic bread. Oh, which one's the chips?
What chips?
The chips.
Where's that?
that?
Oh, I think
And we have these. And then we got this for our drink.
got it.
So I'm trying to picture that.
Really good.
And the crust is like.
It's kind of hard.
Mm-mm.
But, or you don't like the taste of it?
Mm-mm.
I think it's okay.
Alright.
Well, you kind of gotta think too, it's from the dollar store.
Well, yeah, it's good, but
Like, it's that better crust.
the crust is a little bit sweet.
I feel like they should have better cheese
Do you
though.
want to try one of these? Half now? So like cheesy garlic bread is
What
like,
was the brand? So, what was
it's like,
Celeste or something?
yeah. It looks that much, not much cheese on here. Here.
You like it?
It's good.
It's okay.
And next we have one of the side for our dinner is cheddar baked fries.
It is good. Raw
It
pizza?
smells like cheese. Like, it smells good. Of course, it smells like cheese. It kind of reminds me of pot fries.
Oh yeah. They're good. I don't know.
What's next after?
We still have dessert.
Yeah, we still have to do it.
It's
It's not that much, but
I feel like we should turn it off already. I mean, like,
yeah,
I don't want to waste our battery or anything.
yeah.
But yeah.
The crust is a little sweet.
So Gabriel, this is bad lighting, but Gabriel is eating the ice cream. Put the camera down more, and you can see. But freaking all melty.
Boy, put the pillow on the couch.
You know what it was supposed to be, guys? It was supposed to be the like the strawberry. What are they? The
Shortcake.
yeah, the strawberry shortcake. What is it? There's an eclairs. Eclairs. But Gabriel, I don't know what happened. Nobody listens to me, guys. Like said, they were gonna melt, and nobody listens. So yeah. Hey guys, this is still the same day. Just that I'm really tired. I'm making the outro because I didn't make one earlier because my phone was dead and just didn't want to. So here's the outro. I'm kind of tired because it's like 12 right now. So yeah, I like the challenge was fun to do. It was like a fun experience to just eat that kind of food, like nothing else. Like it was a really fun challenge, guys. If you guys want to do it, I suggest you guys do it. But yeah, go follow me on Instagram. It is Davina. Oh no, it's official Davina Star. I'll put the link in description, and then yeah, so go subscribe, share it, family and friends. Like we need to we have to grow our family. So give me suggestions for videos. I really want to do what you guys want. So let me know what you guys want me to do, and I'll try my best to do it for you guys. But yeah, so thanks for watching if you made it to the end, and bye guys.